Apparently, we got a new rocket launcher. That's right, I'm gonna show it to you. It just depends when.
How do you measure it? Pull up your level. Close, obviously.
I think it said like 62.
Alright, so they're just talking. Mm-hmm.
Like this. Okay. And then we're gonna...
Ah, look at that video. Look at that new model compared to the old Scouter model. This is the newer model, the better model, the more accurate model. Yes. So now I am next. Hopefully the luck of the North Kai, which isn't that much, and the Dragon Balls will help me. See how two are aligned right there? Big ball and tiny ball. I wish I was really recording right now, because that bottle right there, that just flew up with one pump.
Not even.
Oh my god, the pressure! The pressure! The cyan pressure!
I think you got the height.
Alright now. Now I am up. Make sure to handle that with care. You need a lot of that these days. My Super Saiyan rocket is ready to go. It has them Super Saiyan fins and all that.
What happens?
Alright, what happened was...
It went to space.
Yeah, I'm not even recording you.
Dude. What happened? Like you just
What happened
check
was...
and it starts flying.
Yes, because... God, stupid bugs.
Okay.
Yeah, they just left it unholden. Yes?
Gotcha.
Alright. Now let's see how this does its work. It's filling up. It's leaking. Bye. Boy, look at it. It received no damage. Better than Superman. Boy. Alright, pick it up. Yes, it's picked up. Go. Yes, you should be scared.
Oh, sure.
Huh?